Golden Empire Amateur Radio Society, GEARS, is bringing attention to emergency two-way radios. I think we're talking ham radio here. The North States News' Hannah Gutierrez spoke with them about their mission and how it could help. She's in Chico tonight. Hannah.
Thank you, Mike. GEARS has spread awareness of emergency radios for over 80 years, educating the Chico community of its importance.
Cell phones can fail, and if they fail during an emergency, you need to keep in contact with family and friends to coordinate, or you may need to call for help.
Golden Empire Amateur Radio Society is a nonprofit organization spreading awareness and education on two-way radio systems for emergency situations such as fires or evacuations. Jim Matthews, a board member, says during emergencies, cell phone towers may be unreliable, but radios can keep families, neighbors, and communities in communication because they don't rely on towers to operate.
You can hear what other people are doing and what else is going on in the area, and that helps you understand what's happening and how to react.
There are two different types of radio services, AM radio and GMRS radios, with repeaters allowing communication in a wider range. Though licenses are required to operate, Matthews says the interest has increased in Butte County.
After the Camp Fire, the Sheriff's Department put up a GMRS repeater that's open to anyone in the community to use. This is a mobile radio. This can be used in your car or at home. And these are handhelds, or what most people call walkie-talkies, that can communicate back and forth from the home.
GEARS holds monthly meetings in Chico for those interested in learning more about emergency communication methods. Matthews says the more community members that invest in radio communication, the safer and more prepared we will be in the event of an emergency.
In an emergency, things can change really fast. And so, communication is important.
For more information on GEARS, check out our website at krcrtv.com. For now, reporting live in Chico, Hannah Gutierrez, the North States News.